Hey, Kevin here. Now I did a video on the Ninja blender. I think the model number was BN701. And now that we got our smoothies down, we need some food to go with it. So today I'll be doing a review on the Gourmia Oven Air Fryer. So let's go ahead and get that going. So this arrived packaged really well from Amazon. First, it was in Amazon's shipping package box. Then within that, there was a brown Gourmia shipping box. Then finally, you get down to the manufacturer shipping box with the logos and picture, which I'm opening now. So let me remove the saran paper, get that out the way. Okay. And it's not too heavy. Let me remove the box. Have a look inside. Have a look at all the sides. Here's the back and the other side. All right, the front again. And this is the air fry basket. Yep, I think that's what it is. Here's our oven rack and baking pan. And the inside of the oven is pretty deep. Sturdy door. That's it. Now it's being sold on Amazon for $90, link down below in the description. Now, it has 6 cooking functions. It's got air fry, of course, the reason why I purchased it, broil, bake, toast, warm, and there's also a setting called bagel. I mean, I would consider this a budget air fryer, reasonably priced. Well, it's the lowest price model that Gourmia sells. As you can see here, there are 3 slots, so I'm putting in the mid slot so it sits in the middle. Okay. So let's go ahead and turn that all the way to air fry toast. And then the center dial will just leave set on air fry, and I'll set it for 30 minutes. See how it goes. I want you to see the heating element light up. That's how it goes. Now, I've used this for about 2.5 weeks. Because I didn't want to just take it out the box and then just start using it and not know anything about it. So I used it for about 2 weeks. And the heating element, you can see it's got some ash on it, but that just burns right off, so there's no need to worry about that. Okay. Now the pizza's done. Now that was a DiGiorno pizza. It's a full 12 inches. So it was really important that I showed you that you could cook a full DiGiorno pizza. It's the size of a dinner plate, and some air fryers you can't fit a pizza in there, so I wanted to show you that it would fit. Okay, now this is the oven without the crumb tray. It's empty. And gonna slide the crumb tray in. The door has to be closed in order to slide the crumb tray in. Slid it in there. I'll fry up some fish fillets. Just go ahead and get out our pan here. Now, these fillets are right out the freezer, so they're rock solid frozen. Go ahead and load these up. Now, there are heating elements on the top and bottom, and then on the side, there's like this fan, and I guess that blows hot air into it, and I guess that's why it's a air fryer, because I guess the top and the bottom is frying it, and the side is air fry. Okay, so I like to put that in the middle as there are 3 rows. Go ahead and set that to 20 minutes. Now they're done. It's piping hot. Got to be careful. And as you can see, they are golden brown. They're really hot. See that? Can you see that? I'm going to tear into it a little bit so we can take a look at the inside here. But it's so hot. Hot. Okay, flaky. Just wanted to show you the crumb tray. All the oil and fat has fallen to the bottom. Really easy to clean. It's really non-stick. And this is healthier for you. Overall, for the price, it's 6 modes, and the way it performs, I would say it gets a thumbs up. Now you've seen how the food came out. Too bad you couldn't taste it. But for more content like this, go ahead and click on the links right now.